I have found the best way to make money online. You've most likely seen channels like mine promising thousands just by making shorts. While this is possible, that's not what we're covering today. I want to show you guys a free website called Prolific. But before we get started, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for more content on making money online. What exactly is Prolific? Prolific is a platform that allows researchers to recruit you for online research. This is not one of those scam websites like Swagbucks, which waste your time and reject you just as you're about to finish a survey. Personally, I receive 10 invites per day for studies ranging from $1 for 5 minutes of my time to $20 for an hour of my time, and they always get accepted. You're probably thinking, that AI guy, that sounds too good to be true, but I have already made over $1,000 just by using this method. Step 1. Create an account. Before we get started, you must create an account. Unfortunately, this website requires you to be over 18 and for you to provide a form of ID when signing up. But the approval time is fast, and I have friends who got started in just a day. Step 2. Account configuration. Once you have an account set up, navigate to the About You section and fill out all of the required demographic questions. For this step, you could provide accurate information about yourself or lie and select demographics that you think will lead to more studies being sent to you. Step 3. Complete studies for cash. Now for the part you've all been waiting for, completing studies. Studies can range from inputting tasks for AI development to personal question surveys for clinical research. But they are never difficult and can be done faster than what it tells you if you select random answers. But be careful doing this, as if you miss an attention check, which are only present in some researchers' studies, you will be rejected, and this will put your account in jeopardy. Step 4. Cashout. Finally, to cash out, Prolific uses PayPal's HyperWallet service to deliver your cash instantly into your PayPal wallet with no fees attached. This is the best payout method I have ever seen from any website like this one. And there you have it, how to make a quick buck online for completely free. Keep it open in your tabs, so while you are browsing, you will be notified if you receive a study. Alternatively, you could download the Prolific Assistant Chrome extension to get desktop notifications when a study comes through. If this video was helpful and you want more content on making a living through the internet, be sure to subscribe to That AI Guy to never miss an upload. And don't forget to share this with your fellow entrepreneurs.